So, what we are doing now is we are flattening the chicken for our Tuscan chicken. Hammering the chicken, yeah. Do you want a uniform thickness? Maybe about 1 inch. Come on, baby. Now we're going to do both sides. Pepper and salt. And maybe we'll throw Worcester sauce on too. Fantastic. I'll give it a bit of flavor from the marinade. Worcester sauce is very... There you go. Give it a shake. There you go. Yeah, that's a whole tablespoon of minced garlic. That's a lot. So that is chili flakes, a teaspoon. Dump it in, Grace. And some paprika too. Okay, dump it in. Nice. Oil. Stop. And some lemon juice. 2 hands, yeah. There we go. Good job. Maybe it's roast meat so strong, so I'm thinking that maybe since we're marinating, maybe 1 stalk will be adequate. Marinade. There you go. We're gonna leave that sit for. It doesn't take very long. Maybe an hour at the most. You don't need to wipe it off there every time. Go. Nice. Good quality. You can cut that part off if you need to, Grace. Nice. You got the idea. Now we've got everything's looking kind of nicely brown. Go and turn it over. We're just flipping everything. Oh yes, nice. Oh, nicely. A little bit of a crust, a little bit of caramelization, beautiful. Now we are deglazing the pan with some white wine. And we're adding some salt. A little bit of chicken broth. Okay. Stop. That looks like a load of spinach, but it's not. Things taste more Italian than some olives. Good steady work. Okay, just add a little cream. Right, stop. And that is what it looks like. Meow. Yum. There you go. Go ahead and try it, Grace, your creation.
Too bad we didn't miss it.
It's good.
It tastes good?